excited about the win. I think tonight showed class and tenacity in terms of our performance tonight. I think the boys have performed a great job. It just shows how good we are. It shows that we are, we can get into the best teams in the world. So we're looking forward to playing our first encounter and we're going to get the best of the performance.
It was an excellent series. You know, it hurts today, but I thought we turned down really well at the start of the game. And as soon as you do that, the Sunshine Girls are going to go up another year. And I thought once they got ahead, it became quite difficult for us to win more ball. And we know that's a tough ask against Jamaica with the quality of Shanice and Romelda. But look, we started very well. I think there's been very little separating these two sides across all 4 matches. The margins have been so slim, and congratulations to the Sunshine Girls. I thought they found a way today, and I thought they were excellent.